Discard plastics in food contact applications. Upgrade to stainless steel for pure and hygienic drinking water. BlueLife Water Purifiers come with detachable stainless-steel storage tank. Detachable tank that can be removed, cleaned and refilled with pure water. Your water is hygienic until consumption. Discard using plastic storage water purifier and bring home never before BlueLife Stainless-Steel Storage Water Purifier today. For details, talk to our water experts on toll-free 1800 599 1234.